The message in this video may be offensive. Do you want to complicate growing your business? If so, strive for perfection. What? Yes, a strive for perfection and getting everything right will get in the way of you having the clients to work with that you enjoy, of building the firm of your dreams, and of earning the income that you deserve. In 20 years of working with advisors, I've seen advisors that escalate quickly to the firm of their desires, and I've seen some that languish for month after month and year after year. And the biggest difference I see is the level of action and activity. You see, when it comes especially to the business development and sales part of your business, imperfect action has value, while perfect inaction has none. Let me repeat that. Imperfect action has value, while perfect inaction has none. So creating, recreating, doing more research, talking to more people, reading more things, none of those things are going to get you talking to more people quickly. We can spend weeks and months working on getting our website, our content, our logo, our business card, our messaging, our process so perfect, and then have no one to be able to share that with. And while that may be an unpopular statement, I've seen advisors get things done enough so that those resources, because that's what they are, can supplement the conversations that actually move things forward. So conversations with direct prospects, centers of influence, general networking that allow people to know you exist and what you do and that there is a service out there are valuable and going to move you along faster. And then you can iterate and update your resources as you find out what is really necessary. So an example is I've seen advisors spend a lot of time on one-pagers. Well, who wants the one-pager from you? How much are you going to use it? Is the time, effort, and money that it takes to put that together valuable or more valuable than if you would have had a few conversations with people? Now, of course, you don't want embarrassment or shoddiness, but when you can put all of the things that support your business into the lens that they need to be good, but not perfect, and I can update and make them better as I learn more, and that makes more sense as to the context of where they fit, that's when you're going to grow faster. So get away from perfection and focus on action.